All right, let's talk about the algos that are included in the FLB automation, or algo suite, as we call it. This is Trend Shift algo right here, and the this is with settings set to 2 to 1s, but I'm running 100 and 100. I'm running a 1 to 1 on it. I'm getting, and this is if you're running this 24/7, this is what you're looking at. Um, and if you go from the first trade, we never got into any really drawdown, cumulative drawdown. So it never would have popped a prop firm account. This is like first trade here, lost that one, and then it started winning, and then and it just kept increasing, right? Um, I run this one, so you can go to a 2 to 1 if you want to. Uh, Here is that it drops the win rate a little bit, but the drawdown is still manageable on any 150K prop firm account, especially if you're using a static drawdown account. But this is that setting. I personally run this one on 100 and 100 from 8:30 to noon, and that's it. That's all I run it on, and the win rate increases to 88%. It's a lot less money here, but I'm watching it, and since the win rate is so high, you can increase your um, quantity and just go for size, and it's going for 100 ticks. Um, with that getting a 2,000 drawdown. If you went for a 2 to 1, um, right here, let's see what it does. Yeah, see the win rate drops to 66% and you make 146,000. If we go back to 1 to 1s, um, we go to 88 and we're making more. So um, that's why I do that. And I only run it during US session. And on this bot, you can do whatever you want with it, but that's what I do. And because I don't like to run minis when I'm not really able to pay attention in case something goes wrong, just to be honest. Now, Eval Master Pro AI version 2, I do run 24, but I'm running it on micros. So I go to micros right here, and I run an MNQ, and I run two contracts, right? And um, of two micros on the MNQ, and it is 24/7. And I don't use the stop loss or take profit settings. I let the strategy exit and stop me out. So and it's doing, and it does really well. So the win rate is 76%. This one is the one that you would want to trade copy on, say, like 10 accounts or something to get your PNL up. It's a very um reliable system to trade, and it holds, so it will catch big trades um and longer runs when it does happen, when they do happen. So yeah, that is Eval Master Pro AI version 2, and all of our spots and settings you can obviously access right here. This one I'm running on intraday mode. There's a swing mode and a scalp mode. And then there's the EMA filter. But we utilize cross trade. So all of these settings right here for cross trade. Obviously your NTA account number, your instrument you're trading, the quantity you want in. If you want to use your in NinjaTrader ATM strategy instead of using the take profit system and everything in here, you can. You just enable that, and you have to put in what is called in NinjaTrader. If you want to use manual stops, you can here. Flat and first, these are all native functions of cross trade that puts it into the alert message for you automatically, so you don't have to build alerts. And then strategy sync, which is really neat, where it syncs strategies between um, the platform and our NinjaTrader and TradingView. Now you can utilize this with any platform you want out there. There would just be some development costs to work with whatever API or webhook provider you're using to modify it to work with that, right? Or we could just go to the basic TradingView strategy system, where you put in the alert, you have to put in all your JSON commands and everything else, blah, blah, blah. This basically, the way we have it set up, just does it for you. And uh, it works really well. So if you're trading futures, just use NinjaTrader, and you can use the cross trade in the account manager with them. If you're using another broker or service provider and you're stuck on wanting to use them, we will work with you to implement that into the strategies and build a custom version. Obviously, at a at a fee. We're not going to just do it for free, but we will do it. And that is these two. And then we have our daily FLB. This one again is one that I trade copy across multiple prop firms. It's a very safe system to use. And this is also trading micros. I'm trading two micro golds, and I just let this run 24/7. This one is going to take one, maybe two trades a day. They're not very big trades in the way we're doing it right now, but it is consistent and it does win. So if you're trading like 10 accounts on this one, 10 prop firms, that number becomes 111,000 in the last 90 days. So this is a very good system. It's a very safe system. This will pass prop firm accounts, and it works really well. So these are the three that we use in our trade plan. If you want to grab them, go ahead and head over to firstlightbeacon.com and click on pricing and go to the FLB automation section. All right. If you have any questions, jump in our Discord. Be happy to help.